How to fix Smartfren invalid MMI code. So if you use Smartfren SIM card and you're getting invalid MMI code, in this video we're going to learn how we can fix just that. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you are using a Smartfren courier and you're getting invalid MMI code error on Smartfren, you can try doing a couple of steps. First, you can try to reset your phone's settings. Only network settings, by the way. So you can go to settings, and depending upon your phone, you can simply look for options like general management or something. Then you can go to reset like this. Then here you can see reset mobile network settings. Tap on it, then choose to reset your network settings, by the way. So you can also choose to reset all of the settings if that's what you're willing to do. Now, after you've done that, you can also try another thing, that's to simply switch your cellular network from 2G, 3G, 4G or 5G. So you can go to your connections, you can go to your mobile networks, and you can try to enable a certain network mode depending on what you prefer. And maybe that would also help you solve the problem. You could also allow or disallow 2G or VoLTE and check if that helps you. You also want to make sure to update your phone's settings. Otherwise, you can also try to go to access point name and make sure to insert a proper access point name or APN settings. Also check for any type of software update that you have on your device. If none of the solutions work, then you can try to contact the Smartfren support. You also have to make sure that it is indeed a valid MMI code and not really an invalid MMI codes. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.